Welcome to my channel. Today we're making some egg rolls wrap. In this bowl I have some grind chicken. We'll be using some chicken. I have some cabbage and carrots. I have some bell pepper. This is optional. Tomato, red and white onion, garlic, and some ginger. Alright. Also some cornstarch, and that is to mix to make the paste for the wraps. Alright, I must let you know that I purchased this egg roll wrap from the supermarket. Alright, you could get it anywhere of your choice. I have some all-purpose soy sauce that I'm going to use into the meat. I must let you know that this chicken has been seasoned up with some seasoning salt, complete seasoning, and some parsley flakes. Okay, with also garlic and ginger. Everything I used and blend it up into the food processor. I'm gonna mix this up and then add it to the strip pan. So I add like a tablespoon of oil into this frying pan. So now I'm gonna add this into the frying pan and let it fry up for a little while, a little bit. Alright, you have to break this up as you fry it. Alright, I must let you guys know that this chicken breast that I'm using here, I washed it, seasoned it up, and I grind it before I fry it. Okay, so you can see some liquids at the bottom. That's all of the liquid fry out. I'm gonna add the tomato and the rest of the ingredients. So stay tuned. I'm gonna add a little Chinese sauce to give it the color, because you don't want it to be that white. Alright, so now that you hear that it's started to fry, I'm going to add the garlic, the ginger, and let it continue frying up. So I had the garlic, ginger, tomato, and the bell pepper. Alright, let it fry for 1 minute, and then I'm going to add the cabbage. Alright, you don't want to fully cook this, you just want to get the crunchiness in it. Okay, so I just had some complete seasoning, pepper flakes, some cayenne pepper, and a pinch of sugar. Alright, so now I'm going to add the cabbage. Remember, we don't want this to be soggy, because we want it to wrap it. So we're going to make sure that we don't have no liquid into this. Alright, we must taste it to see if it needs any salt. Okay, we can do this for 2 minutes, and then I'm going to take it out. So this is going to finish, so I'm going to leave it to cool, and then we're going to start the next step. Here are the mixture: cabbage with the minced chicken. Alright, this is the cornstarch. I have to mix it, and that is to seal the edges. Alright, I will be giving you the list and the ingredients that I use, and here are the wrap. Alright, so first I'm going to take 1 tablespoonful. Alright, and I'm going to place it right, not directly in the middle, okay, and make sure so you have it in a pointing, so the point going to be right facing me. Okay, see, just so you don't want it to overcrowd it. All right, and you're gonna take the cornstarch, okay, and you're gonna base it to right around the edges. All right, and then I'm gonna take this part here and fold it over. Oops. Fold it over like this, and make sure so you fold it tight enough. All right, take your hands and push it in like this. All right, so stay true. I'm holding the camera while it's doing this. So guys, look at this wrap. See? I'm sorry I couldn't show you the whole motion of it. I'm gonna start frying these. So this is the paper towel to absorb some of the oil when it's finished frying. So I'm gonna start by frying it, okay? Alright, I'm gonna put, as soon as it gets brown, okay? So this is done. I'm gonna take this out and press it on there. If you want it a little bit more dark than this, your choice. I love it like this. Okay. So this is the last one. I'm going to turn it over. And if you want it a little bit more brown than this, all must be your choice. So I'm going to take this out now. See? Let it drain off. So I'm making some dip, and in this bowl I have ketchup, mayonnaise, some pepper flakes, and some hot sauce. Okay, and as you can see, I am mixing it together. This is to make the dip for the egg rolls. All right. I will be adding a little sugar into here also. So I just want to add some sugar. If you want, you can just use the ketchup alone. Okay. So this is the egg rolls. And I cut it inside. Okay. For any question, feel free to ask. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Okay. For my new subscriber, welcome. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe. Alright. I'm going to taste one and let you see. Crispy on the outside, soft on the inside, and the sauce got this kind of a spicy, kind of tang, stinging at your side. Ooh. Okay, the acid.